Good morning, everybody. It's Jet 888 here. Just coming by really quickly just to have a few comments. I'm noticing the spraying is looking just a little bit different, but you know what I've been researching? It's March 5th today, sorry. What I've been researching is the cloud seeding, and I've seen some documentation even from Kissinger where they mention silver iodide that's being used in this cloud seeding, but at the same time, they also use, with the cloud seeding, they use acetone. And the research I've done has shown that acetone causes a coffee ground-like granules in the blood. And I think that we've seen that. If you've seen the movie, you know, what, Suddenly DIED died, they also, the coroners and the not lobotomists, what are they called? The people who take out the blood before a funeral or whatever. They've also noticed coffee ground-like structures in the blood. So I'm sort of wondering if some of the stuff going on overhead is, and what we're dealing with and the people's health situations going on, is also caused by acetone poisoning. You'll see if you do research, and I'll send some links. Acetone and silver iodide are methods used for cloud seeding, and the acetone poisoning causes coffee ground-like granules, which we find in the last handful of years. Coroner's reports are stating in the blood they are finding coffee ground-like structure, not structures, but texture in the blood. So if you cross-reference that, and I'll send you some information regarding that when I come in. I'll have to do it later. I'm just going to load this up right now, and I'll add the information, the research, and the studies I have found that have shown that. Okay, real quick, but bye to you guys, and just checking in real quick. Take care. Oh, so sorry, but also be the change that you want to be, because we're not going to change the craziness going on if we don't change ourselves for the better. I think we need to have more morality going on in this world, because increased morality increases our freedom. And you're not going to have it if we are always turning to vices. Vices does not create morality, and our kind of lust and vice for materialism is also part of our downfall and our destruction. So try to rise above that, okay? Go towards morality instead of vices. That's your my little tip for today. All right, take care, guys.